Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a creamsicle or popsicle. These are going to be the supplies you'll be needing. First, we're going to start off with a little clay in the color of white. We're going to roll this into a ball, and then we are going to press down on it so it's flat like this, and then on one side we're going to press down only on one side because we want one side to have kind of a rounded top but the other to have a flat. Bottom. So it should look something like this. Okay, now that we have our little inside done, what we're going to do is we are going to take our X-Acto knife and we are going to cut this in half like that. So now we have two of those little shapes. So just set those aside. And now we're going to get our flesh colored. We're just going to use a tiny amount, so just rip a tiny bit off. About this much. And you're just going to flatten it. Until it's a shape like this. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take one white strip and we're going to place the little brown piece in right there. We're going to take the other half and then we're just going to stick it on. Now there's probably going to be a crease, so just smooth that together with your hands. So now it should look something like this. Now what we're going to do is taking the color of your choice. I'm going to be using blue for this, and I'm just going to take this much. You probably won't need this much, but it's just so that I can get a wide sheet to cover the white with. So make sure there's no holes and just flatten it out. You can use a pasta machine too. Just get it pretty flat. We can always go over it. So then, just take your popsicle and then just kind of get it on the edge there. And then just kind of start lining it. It really doesn't matter how you do it. And as soon as I get mine lined, we will move on to the next step. Okay, now that I have my popsicle all covered in my blue, I am going to take just a little brush like this, and I am just going to create two little divots on each side of the little creamsicle popsicle. Now I'm going to take this brush, it's really small, and I'm going to take my little mixing sheet, and I'm going to get this brown color, and I'm going to mix it, and then I'm going to get black, and I'm going to put it, and then I'm going to put a tiny bit of black in there. Now I'm going to mix this color first because it's lighter, and so I should get kind of a darker brown. And so then you're just going to take it and you're just going to brush it on to the handle. And you're going to take some black and you're going to go over it, and then brown again. Until it looks a little more wooden. And it could also be like fanning out on the edges like mine here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and just cut that little piece off. So that's off. Do the exact same. On the other side, so it's a little more rounded, I guess. Okay. Once you finish with that, we'll move on to the next step. Now our last step is to take some sort of a cutter, and we're just gonna make a little divot, and then we're gonna make another one a little closer, and these are 2 little bite marks. I hope you enjoyed watching, and try this out at your home, and check out my other videos, and bye.